What's good, y'all? We got another one, man. We on that road to 1K before Christmas. Trying to hit that 1K before Christmas. Appreciate all the loves and likes we've been getting on our previous video. Shout out to each and every one of y'all who've been showing me love. But in today's video, man, we got another one. Man calls girlfriend after stealing police car. I don't know what's going on, but let's play the video and see.
Officers are pursuing a stolen motorcycle, and once they detain the rider, he makes a shocking move they never saw coming.
He already fleeing. Who's that?
Hey, sir. I ain't playing. I don't want to in your car and make no issue. I didn't steal that bike. Okay. Did I run because I know it was stolen?
I guess the bike in the beginning is what he stole.
Nope. Look, man, I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I didn't see you guys behind me for a long time.
The owner of this bike is tracking it, okay?
So how come he didn't get it from dude earlier this morning? I know who had that bike earlier.
Who's that?
I'm not a rat. I can barely talk.
Ain't no rat.
I don't have any water, man.
I can't talk. I'm not trying to be I promise you.
Well, you just told me you wanted me to get bit by that dog.
Because I was upset at the time. Please let me smoke a cigarette, man, please.
Cigarettes are going to dry your mouth out even more, man.
I don't care. I'm going to prison, please. Please, man.
If you're cool with me, I might let you smoke when you get to jail.
Man, people who are like trapped and do not want to go back in prison do really crazy stuff, man. Really crazy stuff. Like there's people out there, like they went to prison once and they never ever want to go back because the shit you see inside of there is messed up. But we already at cuff one attempt. Cuff two.
Oh.
How much do you have in the bag?
Like a quarter gram of ice and 2 Xanaxes.
Is the officer not seeing him? In most states, receiving stolen property or being in possession of stolen vehicle is a misdemeanor. That's a fact. Damn, how he freed himself? Shout out to Midwest Safety. Damn. Yo! I'm sorry, but look at his face. You know, once they get back to the station, everybody on the scene is getting their ass chewed up. How did they let that occur? You know? Like, that's crazy. So you telling me no one saw him leap over here? It's gone. Oh, park kill feature automatically turns off the sirens when in park. Calm scene and help communication. Putting the car back into drive automatically reactivates the siren. Okay. I didn't know that. Good information. Where's back? He's just gonna get hella charges, man. One more time. What is the, if anyone in the comment knows, like, what is the procedure when a police officer loses their car to a suspect, like, the suspect steals it, like, do they go through a training or something, like a reevaluation, or what happens? That's what I need to know. I have to do some research. Status that. Who is he calling? Yo. He is mad. You can just tell by his demeanor. Look, he is mad. He like, I don't know.
Okay, listen to me. I stole a cop car and I'm driving. You gotta meet me somewhere, baby, so I don't get caught. Where are you meeting me?
Girlfriend or ride or die, though.
Relax.
Relax.
Where you go?
Go up behind Ross's gas station. How long till you're there? Baby,
That's
how
his
long
car.
till you're there? Where you at? You're in this?
He was handcuffed.
He was indeed.
Baby, the cops are on my ass. What do I do? Baby!
Stop sign. What stop sign? Not the boat? Oh, okay. thought he was gonna hit that boat, man. Ooh! He would have been dead if that truck had hit him.
Baby, I'm heading to your
Thankfully
dad's
not.
house. I'm gonna hide out there.
He's mad. It's a nice little boat right there. How much one of those cost? How much one of those boats cost, man? Eventually, if your boy channel blows up and we making the bag, I'm gonna get me one of those.
What happened?
You gotta calm down, man.
Baby, I'm gonna jump. Baby, I'm gonna jump in the river and swim down, okay?
Swim
Baby,
down?
Please. I'm heading towards Greenville right now, okay?
What state is this? Squad 1. They gonna laugh at him when you get back to the station.
Hey, you know where your village is at? I'm gonna try to hide somewhere around there, okay? Hey. What?
A lot of people don't move over for police cars these days. Neither ambulance or fire trucks.
I didn't see him. Dude, next thing I know, he was just, yeah. I noticed him move around once. I saw him when we went to press his bag, put the bag over. Let it back, whatever.
If anybody know what state this is, let me know. Probably if I see the police, like what they have on the cruiser.
Hey, relax, man. Relax.
Or a sign, street sign. Spikes. Damn, there was a street sign right there I could have seen, but I was not like looking at it. Got his tire.
He's got my phone, so I can't unlock the doors of my car.
Wait, is he calling his girlfriend with the officer phone in the officer car, which always have cameras, which is recording like 24/7? Man, yeah, he needs to go to jail. Prison.
He's on 67 North. Okay, Chris just rounded the curve right now.
Baby, York Village, they hit me with spike strips. Can't drive for much further. York Village, I'm gonna
He got
run in
distance
high.
though. He may escape.
Love ya. Love ya.
That's a fact. The polo's worse than the thief. However you say it.
Yeah, I know. You're good my way.
Boys got the guns on him. Oh yeah, cause they're gonna take this as a priority chase due to the fact that officer may have weapons in here too, so they don't know if he would like take the weapons and do something with the weapons, right? You know, normally they have like a service weapon, a shotgun, or something in the back here, from my knowledge. But hopefully it don't lead to that. He do have distance.
Bound on the 49.
Westbound on 49.
Get his ass, buddy.
Barking. He's about to jump. Is he gonna break his knees? He's supposed to jump and roll, but depending on what speed he's gonna, if he slows down, he can make the the jump, but I don't know. It's not going that fast. Okay. He had so much distance though. Oh, foot chase, foot chase.
Bailed on foot? I can't hear you.
Okay.
He said he did bail. He bailed on foot. None of his fears.
Deputy Sheriff.
I don't see him. Scott, where you at? See him? No. Scott, where you at? Where you at? Baby!
And if it was nighttime, he would have been gone too.
They advise the subject has fled in the S-curve on 49.
You can't see
Scott, where you at?
the symbol
Scotty,
to know
where
what
you at?
state
You might
this
see
is.
him here. Come on, Bobby. Is Bobby right in here too? Scotty!
Buffalo Creek, Ripley County.
Oh gosh, he's got a 10-hour drive.
Should I ask if the weapons are still secure?
See?
Check.
He just said the weapons.
What the Bobby? Bobby!
Pick him up before I head
Scotty!
away.
Scotty!
Can you check with on-scene officers, see if the rifle and shotgun still secure in his vehicle?
He didn't jump out with anything in his hands.
But no.
We better be checking.
I know at this time the weapons are secure.
Get out of the way.
You're in behind.
See, your boy knows a little thing or
Still trying
two.
to contact the K9.
Scotty!
Understood.
Was that somebody yelling? Hold on for a minute.
Come on, Scotty. Answer, baby. Answer, Scotty.
I hear him back there. He's way back here.
I can see 852's rifle is secure in the
Rifle is secured. That's good.
A shotgun.
You don't have the block. Because not all the vehicles have these.
That's true.
shotgun secure in the vehicle.
Okay, that's good.
334 Wayne County, do we know subject armed or not?
You just heard me say that. They scan us.
Oh, we're here, Chris. Over here, Chris. We got eyes, Chris. We got eyes on him.
What do you say?
Located the deputy.
Is deputy secure?
He sounds like a train wreck.
They always.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure they're amped up. I get it.
Hey, Kyle, do those not have the anti-theft device on them?
They do. Yeah, they should all have the anti-theft.
Here we are.
Rise up 60. Go ahead, where you at?
I'll get my repeater on.
So make sure all over the location.
I know. 905, 1110, 729 on scene.
Bobby,
Wait.
which way they run?
Is that Missouri? Was it Missouri? Let me just go back. I want to see what state.
905, 1110, 729 on scene.
Yeah, it's Missouri State Highway Patrol.
Bobby, which way they
Okay.
run?
When I got on scene, Kelly was the only one here.
You want some spray? I would put some on. There's a Forest Service road down here. Do you want to go down it?
I'll jump.
Just hop in back, Kyle.
Well, he got spray for it.
Sorry.
What? Oh, you're fine.
I didn't know everybody was in here.
Just scoot over.
Go ahead.
He's got his shirt off. He stripped his shirt.
Oh, he dropped his shirt.
You know, damn far this.
Why?
You know how far away I am from my car.
I should have shot him.
Come on.
Shot
He's
him.
fleeing. I don't know what's the law in Missouri, but you can't really shoot a fleeing suspect. You know, he's not endangering anybody besides himself. So I guess that's wrong.
I saw him move one time.
Yeah, more so it's taking-
I never thought there was a chance in the world he'd slip him.
Sure, off and in handcuffs.
We sure gotta be. He's driving the vehicle.
I don't know how that happened.
Was he secure in the seatbelt?
He was in there like he was supposed to be.
I feel right now.
You wouldn't be the first.
How did he
person-
get off the handcuff
I
though?
seen him coming up,
Probably
Bobby.
wasn't like tight.
Bobby, I was like on the door handle. Bobby took off. I was screaming at Lee. I was like, "Oh my God!"
40 is where it was hitting like 128.
I hit 140.
The vehicle's not damaged, right?
Just
tires.
I got all four.
He was still 80, 90 mile an hour down 49.
So you dived, I was like, oh. For me, I went to pull my gun, he went like,
What I think happened right from the first chase, right? He was amped up. So you know when people are amped up, your body, you swell up, you get bigger, you get, in the heat, all your blood flow is pumping. So I guess when they handcuffed him, right, it was already tight to his hand, but once he calmed down and his blood flow was normal, his like hands got some of the, I don't know. I'm just yapping. Was able to slip up K9.
I went through K9. Mount your hands up. I'll send the dog. You will be missed. Everybody stay behind me. Yeah, no, stay back.
If you want to work towards about the middle of where we left you.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Hey, I'd stay right there. Let him
That
get
dog
his
there
thing
to
going.
play.
Stay back plenty. That way we can get a good track on him. I don't like getting up in the containment area. Let's stay back.
I heard him hiding up in the brush up here.
Really?
But I didn't want to get in there.
Yeah, sure. No, he's not far. That's the freshest track as you can get.
Why is he not? He's running. He was still moving.
I know.
Excuse me.
Hang on, get close, but not. We don't want to get. Yeah, no, you all are good. No, you all are good. I'm just. Hey, Trent, went through here. Okay, you gonna swing around? No, you all are good. I'm trying to get killed. They're getting up there a little too far up around this track. I'm trying to keep them. You all are good.
Circle around it. Hey, right here. Show me
They
your
got
hand.
him?
Show your hand.
You better not move. You hear
How
me?
did they find him?
Do not move.
Look where he's hiding.
Do not.
How did they find him in here? Like, you have to have some good eye. If it was nighttime, he would have been gone.
Get out. Let go of the tree.
Look.
Hang on.
Lord.
Slow down.
They bending him up.
Calm down. Calm down.
Stand up. Put your feet under and stand up.
Damn it!
You're waiting there. Put your hands behind your back.
resisting at all.
Bull. You got him?
He's happy.
Go.
Super trooper, you are. Thank you for being receptive.
About to get worse,
I do prison.
Huh?
I do prison.
You're going to do it for a long time, bud. Old police car, bud.
I did 6.5 years.
How does 20 sound?
Since we've already obviously shown what he's like, let's get a cage car to take him.
Damn, he already
Are
did
my
6
pinkies
years.
doing a problem to
You
you?
got the right to remain silent. I'd suggest you use it.
I suggest you shut the up. I know my rights.
Good.
What's your name? Super trooper? Go.
His whole jaws is falling.
I was grabbing you so I didn't fall.
Over the right.
That's the most activities these officers gonna get for that day. They all gonna go back to the station and laugh at the other officer that put the cuss on him and slip out. But good thing they caught him. Nobody was hurt besides himself, the suspect.
What did my mother fall?
Make sure you got no blood on it. He's bleeding. Had a couple scratches.
Where you at? Candy was coming over.
They got ticks out there in Missouri.
Right, buddy. What's your name? What was his name?
Which one?
These two right here.
Stinson Morgan.
Like you were-
He's still giving them shit too.
I'll catch you again.
I thought I'm doing 20 years.
Talk to you second time. What the third?
You talked to me the first time?
Yeah.
4.5 years ago?
Yeah.
You catch when your ass would. I know it would. I know who
So
it
I
was.
guess he knows these officers. Know around the town.
Shoot, that is disrespectful.
Or you want to put those on and I'll take mine?
Yeah, I bet you will.
I know I You can make it in prison. You
For sure.
Where'd your shoes?
I know. What county am I going to?
Butler.
I hate that.
Keep a camera on him so he won't try to say we done something. I don't know.
Yeah, he wasn't ever trying to hurt you, but he kept looking at your cap going, click, click, click. I'm like, hey.
The suspect, identified as 38-year-old Andrew Delcamp, has an extensive criminal history in Missouri, with criminal cases dating back to 2017. According to court records, he previously pleaded guilty to second-degree burglary in 2019 and was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri
Damn.
Department of Corrections. For this case, Andrew pleaded guilty in 2 separate Butler County felony cases on February 25th, 2025. He pleaded
that
guilty to
theft
first-degree
charge for the
tampering with a
bike.
motor vehicle, resisting arrest by fleeing while creating a substantial risk of serious injury or death, and second-degree burglary. He was sentenced to 7 years in the Missouri Department of
Sheesh.
Corrections for tampering with a motor vehicle and 2 years for resisting arrest, with the sentences ordered to run back-to-back. He received an additional 7 years for second-degree burglary, which was added to the previous sentence. In total,
Golly.
Andrew was sentenced to 16 years in prison, just 4 years shy of...
Damn. 16 years in prison. Ooh-wee, brother. You just served 6. Now you're going back there for double that. Damn. But man, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. We on our road to 1K sub before Christmas. Hopefully we hit the 1K sub. You know, once your boy blow up, as I said, I will buy me that boat. Hopefully. But yeah, appreciate all the loves and like. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.